Rain makes corn. Corn makes cornbread.
But you're already chopping? Did we start? No, why don't you start the video off then? Let them know that we've started.
Oh, I thought we started.
You know what I love about Vince's Own chili?
What?
You don't have to spend all your time focusing on the chili because it's already made. You can focus on the bread that goes with it.
The sides.
That's right. And today we are making
Cornbread.
And polenta.
Polenta.
Bob's Red Mill are mixes that come from the US. There's a wide assortment, and they were one of the first to come out with a whole range of gluten-free pre-mixes for brownies, cakes, there's flours, all that kind of stuff. Cornbread offers us a gluten-free option to bread. And what kind of accompaniments are we making today?
I'm going to make a cornbread loaf with jalapenos and honey.
Polenta is something we make a lot at home.
Yeah.
And what we love is in the north of Italy, especially in the winter, a lot of times what you do is you make your polenta and then you'll throw it in the oven with a little gorgonzola cheese. Really, really stinky cheese, but it'll bring it down a little bit once you cook it.
We have our vegetable chili, our regular classic Vince's chili. Then we have our chicken chili, if you don't eat beef. And then we have our Vince's Own classic chili, but spicy. So if you like a little bit of heat, that one's good.
Can we try the chicken today?
Let's do it.
You're gonna do the cornbread?
Yep.
I'm gonna do the polenta.
1.5 cups of buttermilk. Jalapenos, how spicy do we want it?
You didn't take the seeds out, eh?
What, are you a wimp?
Normally people seed them and then just use the outside.
What's the point of jalapeno then? Put a green pepper in. How much honey? 2 tablespoons, I'm just gonna squirt it in there. I just added the melted butter, the eggs, and the honey, and now I'm whisking the buttermilk mixture with the jalapenos. How much of it?
Yeah, that's 20 ounces, 567 grams. It's 1 pack.
You know that, off the top of your head.
100%. How many ounces in a pound?
10.
You have a degree! That's general measurements.
What school did you learn that in?
Elementary school?
Turtle, do you want to look at your precious cornbread?
Ooh, that looks good.
I'm gonna plop it in this bowl.
For the polenta, we've got 3 cups of water boiling. So 3 cups for every 1 cup of polenta, and it's salted water. You do have to stand by the stove for polenta because it just requires constant whisking to make sure that it comes together nicely and doesn't overcook. Now we're just gonna keep stirring this on low heat. How many grams in a kilogram? How many ounces in a pound? My polenta is looking great. These are a good appetizer too, especially in the winter when you're looking for something warm and like filling. Now we're just gonna get the stinky chiz. We're gonna finish it off in the oven. The chili just needs to be reheated. So we'll let that come up to temperature. Our chili is so good.
So today we're serving our chicken chili.
I love this. Got the giant cornbread.
You do it. Not there. That is a bad spot to start. It already
it's a
fell
perfect
through
spot.
there. Oh.
Back in the oven.
On the plate.
Yeah. Oh no, not on the plate.
While we're waiting for our cornbread,
Well, I'm gonna eat.
yeah, we're gonna try our chili. I like the chicken.
Me too.
I wouldn't think twice about it. This looks like an egg bite from Starbucks. Mmm. Oh my gosh. That's good. Did you like season this or something? What'd you do?
Nothing. I mixed it. I put the cheese on top. I added salt and pepper at the end.
Should we put like a little bit of chili on it?
Did you try the gorgonzola one? You gonna try it or no?
No.
Come on.
My mom makes gorgonzola sauce all the time.
Your mom and I talk, eh? I have access to her.
You ever in a jail cell or something?
The cornbread's ready. Ooh. Ah. Oh yeah, like look at the like corny inclusions. Loving the honey involved here.
Ooh, okay, that's steamy.
Mmm.
You know what this gets? Stamp of approval.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm on team cornbread.
I've always been on team cornbread.